Okay, on the record in the matter of Capital One versus Angela Winkle, 25-00165. Appearance for the record, please.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Kelly Sheehy, P89082 on behalf of the plaintiff.
Your name, ma'am?
It's Angela Lewis.
Was it formerly Winkle?
Yes.
Okay, today was the date that was scheduled for a motion for summary disposition, which the plaintiff filed. Did you get a copy of that, Ms. Winkle or Lewis, Ms. Lewis?
It's okay if you say either one. I got this from them, but that wasn't anything I got from them, which was supposed to be for the last time.
I don't know what this is. What does it say on it?
It is, it was for the via Zoom one on 122.25. It's like a whole.
But yeah, but there's in the middle some bolded letters that tells you what the document is. What does it read as?
Like hearing motion for summary disposition.
Okay, so you received the motion for summary disposition. Did you respond to that motion?
I tried to. I've never used Zoom before. I tried to figure it out. Actually, they call up here and ask somebody.
Well, you would respond in writing.
Oh, see, I didn't even know that.
Okay, and I'm only asking because I don't see a response for you in the system.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is the first time I've ever dealt with something like this. I don't know what I'm supposed to do with stuff, so.
I'm sure. Okay, so there's a motion for summary disposition, essentially stating that there's no genuine issue of material fact here. The court should grant their request because there's nothing that you provided during this case that would dispute the underlying debt. And I reviewed your answer. You're not disputing the debt. You're saying that you didn't have the way to pay it, correct?
I offered them, I said I would be able to pay $50 a month right now.
But answer my question first. You're not disputing
No.
the underlying debt. You were
No.
disputing your ability to pay.
Yes.
Okay, so in that case, their motion for summary disposition would be valid. There's not an actual dispute to what's going on. It's about how they're now going to get that money. For those reasons, and after reviewing the plaintiff's motion, and the court record doesn't reflect that you filed any response other than the answer, which the answer is not disputing the actual debt. I'm going to grant their motion for summary disposition. That will enter judgment against you for the amount that they say that you owe them, because you did not deny that you owed that money. You're denying your ability to repay it. And that does not mean that they can't get a judgment against you.
Right. I wasn't denying to repay it. I was saying I just can't.
Your ability is what I said. I said you were denying the ability to repay. Not that, that's all. You were homeless, you didn't have a way to, or you were unemployed for several months is what it says.
Yeah.
And so that's why you weren't able to make payments.
Yes.
And those are real life issues and real life concerns. Those issues don't negate the fact that you still owe the money,
Right.
is what I was asking. And so the judgment can enter. Now you have to work with them to figure out how they can get their money.
Right.
Okay, you understand what's going on? Okay, so I think that there was an order provided as it relates to judgment. Is that accurate, counsel?
Yes.
Okay, and so you, ma'am, you did say that you were at the time unemployed. Are you employed now?
It wasn't at the time. I said I previously, when I tried to work with them, I had been unemployed for 3 months.
Well, that's what you said. You said at the time, you said I would pay because at the time I was not working and had no way to pay anything. So are you working now?
Yes.
Okay. And so you're able to make payments towards the debt?
I'm gonna try to.
Well, that's what we're here to
am.
find out. How much do
Yeah.
you think you can make payments for?
What I originally said, about $50
A month? That's what you
Yes.
said?
And it would only be temporarily, and I would be able to pay them more later. It's just my husband just lost his job, so I'm the sole income coming in right now.
Okay, the reason why I say that is because while we're here, what we also can do is execute an installment payment order, ordering that you make payments of $50 per month.
Yes.
I can even set it for a review 6 months later to see what's going on with your finances.
Yeah.
But if we get that installment payment order today, that will, keep you from having to come back to court. I don't know if you had to take off work for this.
Yes.
So that you can file that later.
Yeah.
And B, keep them from being able to garnish your wages because there's no payments going on. So do you want to do that?
Yes.
Okay. So counsel, are you able to execute that paperwork as well and file that through my file? She'll make payments of $50 per month in an installment payment order.
You want me to file the installment payment order?
That's what I'm asking.
Sure.
Because it can go, I'm gonna have you amend your actual order. It's gonna be granting the motion for summary disposition and entering an installment payment order, where
Okay,
she'll pay $50 per month.
all right.
And so, when are you gonna make the first payment, ma'am?
It would be in 2 weeks.
She'll begin making payments, she said, in 2 weeks. 2 weeks from today
Yes.
is gonna bring you to the 27th. Okay,
My
so
next
you'll
check.
make it the 27th of each month.
Right around there, I get paid twice a month and it's different every month, but I will
Okay.
try to make it within the month. I don't know if I can set a specific day.
We've got to set a specific day for the purposes of the order. So we can say pay it before the 30th of the month.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
okay. All right, so if the long as the order reflects that, then I'll review and sign it. Council can file that through my file, okay? Do you have any questions?
Nope, that's what I wanted from the beginning. So when I first came here,
Thank
so
you. Any additional matters for the record, council?
Nothing for me, Your Honor.
Thank you, you're all set.
Thank you.
do I need to go anywhere for anything or
You're
will I
free to
get
go.
something in the mail?
You'll get, yeah, once I sign it, you'll get a copy of it.
Okay, all right. Thank you very much.
John Marie here. For the LT eviction, I wonder why it's on Friday. Who put LT eviction on Friday? Oh, and I thought that one did an interpreter. That could be wrong. No interpreter was requested by civil, so it was supposed to be reset with an interpreter.
And yeah, and I did the request.
No one's here
No,
for either party?
always it. Well, I think Cox's office.
Oh. Who's on the phone number ending in 0150?
This is Paris Boyce of PDB Process Service.
I don't know who that is. Why are you calling into the courtroom?
We're calling on behalf of Eric Nzango.
Yeah, but why are you calling in and not dialing in with video?
Oh, I'm sorry. The landline is the closest thing it's the only thing that's near.
Okay, well, we don't allow landline. Yeah, if you're gonna be a part of a hearing, you gotta come with video. I can't control the landline. And it causes everything back on the background of your, wherever you are, is gonna come through the courtroom. So if we
Okay,
get-
is it anywhere I can get my testimony now? Cause,
You can't, no, you can't testify from a landline. That's the whole point. You got, if you want to testify, I definitely got to see it. I sent out Zoom instructions and none of them say that you can call in and give testimony. So I'm not sure, who subpoenaed you here?
this is, yeah, Eric Nzango.
You are Eric Nzango?
I'm sorry?
You are Eric Nzango or he subpoenaed you?
No, he subpoenaed me.
Oh, yeah, you gotta log in with the video. Mr. Nzango, are you here?
Yes, Your Honor.
You have to start your video as well. Did you subpoena someone to court today?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, well, they gotta log in virtually the same way you're logged in.
Well, that's the thing. We stand by the process serving.
I don't know what you think this is. This is not how this works. I'm not even on the record. You don't just start blurting out information. If you're going to, I'm checking people in. If you want to be admitted, and I've gone on longer than normal with this, you've got to log in with a video capability. You cannot dial in and give me any testimony on the record on a hearing. My only options for hearings is virtually with video or in person. Those are your two options.
Only thing is, Your Honor, we're out in the field right now, and there's no way we can get near a Zoom hearing. Yeah, we thought we could just call in.
That's unfortunate. That's not my, I didn't subpoena you here, sir. And I'm done having that conversation. Okay, let's see. Mr. Nzango, you might want to work that out if that's your witness. I'm gonna call the next case. Is LVNV funding versus Kendra Stevens? Kendra Stevens here?
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Preston Nate, P778884, appearing for LVNV.
And good
Yes,
afternoon.
counsel for Stevens.
Always.
Yes, Corey Grandmason, P64392. I'm here for the Stevens.
Okay, thank you. Today was the date scheduled for pretrial. Parties are represented by counsel on both sides. Did you all resolve this or work out pretrial statement at all?
We are working it out, but in the meantime, we did do a pretrial statement. I'll get over to the court.
Very good. Anything that we should address while you're here on the record?
No, I don't think there's anything.
No, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you. Once I receive the joint pretrial statement, you'll get a next court date in the mail, likely be for a trial date, okay?
Very good. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Thank you. Ms. Wilburn?
Honor.
Hi, you were here on the matter with Jean-Marie, correct? The eviction matter?
Correct, Judge. And we withdrew our request, but based on the timing that it was submitted, I did not know if the court received it yet.
We just noticed it, so thank you.
Okay, very good, Judge. Have a great weekend.
Same to you.
Thank you.